Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Brandon from Dad Works From Home, and on this channel I share my best tips and tutorials on how you can make money from home. Now if you're here, you're probably facing the same issue, which I did. I was able to find a fix for it, and that is that I bought the PLR, in other words the private label rights course from Systeme, and I downloaded all of the courses, and I'm assuming you did the same because when you bought it afterwards it kind of gave you step-by-step instructions as to what you need to do. So I'm assuming that you already downloaded the courses to your system, you have the funnels already downloaded and everything, but the issue is that when you click on it and then you view the course, so this is viewing it as if you're the student who's taken the course. The problem is that it says no lectures yet and you're unable to see the course or interact in any way. So to fix this issue, all you have to do is come to the courses, and unfortunately they make it very slow for you. You can't just bundle and fix them. You have to do it one by one, but you hover over these three dots and you click activate. You're going to activate this lecture, continue, click confirm, okay? And what that does is it changes it from inactive to active, because when you downloaded the courses, by default, they're all inactive. As you can see right here, it says inactive, okay? So one by one, you have to go through each one and just click activate, confirm, and that switches it to active, okay? And again, I wish you could just batch edit them all, but you can't. You have to go one by one. But it doesn't take too long, and as soon as you finish it, you can then hit the view again, and you'll see that it now changed, and you'll be able to see the course, okay? So there you go. Now your student can actually view the course and interact and everything, and that fixes that issue. So you just do that one by one with each course. You just go through each one and just follow the same steps, hover over the three dots and click activate, and that's it. And that'll fix that issue. So if you found this helpful, be sure to give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more content like this. Thank you, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.